Hi, this is Peter Tani. So today I'm going to reveal the list of my predictions for 2026 All-NBA team selections. Andito po yung balota kung saan nakalagay yung mga listahan ng mga NBA players kung sino-sino ang mga dapat bigyan ng credits for their amazing 2025-26 NBA season. Predictions na po ito wala na po saan magagalit. Ito na po, bubuksan ko na. All-NBA first team. I got Cade Cunningham for the Detroit Pistons, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander of the Oklahoma City Thunder, the reigning MVP, Victor Wembanyama, the Defensive Player of the Year, Nikola Jokic, the MVP candidate of the Denver Nuggets, Luka Doncic of the Los Angeles Lakers, the reigning scoring champion. For All-NBA second team, I got Jaylen Brown of the Boston Celtics, Jalen Brunson of the New York Knicks, Chet Holmgren from the Oklahoma City Thunder, Donovan Mitchell of the Cleveland Cavaliers, Scottie Barnes of the Toronto Raptors. For the All-NBA third team, I got Tyrese Maxey from the Philadelphia 76ers, Jalen Duren of the Detroit Pistons, Alperen Sengun of the Houston Rockets, Jalen Johnson of the Atlanta Hawks, Karl Anthony Towns of the New York Knicks. So, ang balota po yung kasi nito sa All-NBA team, ito po yung deserve po yung mga NBA players na nagkaroon po ng magandang season na nilalaro through stats, through points, rebounds, assists per game, and their consistency, efficiency on the court. And of course, sana walang manipulation na magaganap between the media and the fans as well. At sana walang samaan ng loob na mangyayari if hindi man makasama yung favorite player ninyo, and better luck next time. And we hope for all the best of our players as well. Panahon lang yan. Itong balota kasi na to, ginawa ko kasi to for my own predictions lang naman. So kung hindi man makasama yung player ninyo, minimum kasi ng games na lalaroin is 65 para makasama. Sa case kasi ni Doncic and Cunningham, pinayagan sila magkaroon ng MVP votes at ng All-NBA team, possible All-NBA team selection kasi isang game lang naman ang tamis sila eh. Hindi naman umabot ng 60 to 63 eh. Buti sana kung isang game lang na na-miss at ang dahilan ay acceptable naman, nakasama sila. So minimum kasi pag injured ka, siguro mga minimum 64, 63. Pag 62 pababa, hindi na pwede. So, I hope would you like and subscribe and appreciate this video. God bless.